Good morning, students. Now we study about the organic reactions. Types of organic reactions. Organic reactions mostly four types. First is substitution reactions. Second is addition reactions. Addition reactions. Third is elimination reactions. Elimination reactions. Fourth is rearrangement reactions. Rearrangement reactions. First of all, we study about the substitution reactions. Substitution reaction further classified in three types, in which first is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Second is electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Third is free radical substitution reaction. Substitution reactions further classified in three types: nucleophilic substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction, free radical substitution reaction. Now we study first of all nucleophilic substitution reactions. In nucleophilic substitution reaction, attacking group is nucleophile. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. In attacking group is nucleophile. These reactions are two types: SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. SN1 reaction and SN2 reactions. We study first SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction, yeah, unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now, SN1 reaction mostly given by alkyl halides, tertiary alkyl halides. These reactions given by tertiary alkyl halide. Mostly given by tertiary alkyl halide, and other also compounds give SN1 reaction. Yeah, unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, tertiary alkyl halide. We understand by the example. Now we take the example tertiary butyl chloride. Tertiary butyl chloride. In presence of nucleophile gives tertiary butyl alcohol. Plus Cl is leaving group which left the substrate. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Now we study its mechanism. How can this type of product is formed? So we study by the mechanism. So mechanism of the SN1 reaction. Mechanism. First step, formation of carbocation. Formation of carbocation. Then now substrate is tertiary methyl chloride, CH3C, CH3, CH3Cl, tertiary butyl chloride. In presence of nucleophile, this step is shallow step, which is also known as rate determining step. Shallow step, which is also known as rate determining step. Determining step. The first step in SN1 reaction is rate determining step because this is shallow step. As the nucleophile will come in the substrate, then Cl is leaving group, which is left the compound, and intermediate carbocation is formed. CH3C, CH3, Cl will be left, then carbocation is formed, and Cl minus. This is intermediate species. Intermediate species. That is carbocation. That is carbocation. So in the SN1 reaction, intermediate is carbocation. Second step, a taking of the nucleophile. A taking of the nucleophile. Taking of the nucleophile. So carbocation CH3C, CH3, CH3 plus nucleophile. We take nucleophile OH minus. Assume the nucleophile is OH minus. Then this reaction is fast reaction because positive and negative charge attract to each other. So nucleophile easily attaches to the carbon. So this process is very fast process. And tertiary butyl alcohol is formed. Tertiary butyl alcohol is product in SN1 reaction. So two-step mechanism. First step is formation of carbocation. Second step is taking of the nucleophile and product is formed. In SN1 reaction, there are some specific characteristics we study about it. In which one of them characteristic of SN1 reaction. One is this reaction is two-step process. This reaction is two-step process. This reaction is two-step process. In which one is formation of carbocation and another is taking of the nucleus. Second, intermediate is carbocation in the reaction. Intermediate is carbocation. So, reactivity of the reaction also depends on the stability of the carbocation. More stable carbocation, then SN1 reaction will be very fast. So, we say that tertiary carbocation is more stable as compared to secondary and primary carbocation. This is secondary carbocation, 2-degree carbocation. This is primary carbocation, 1-degree carbocation and methyl cation. 3-degree carbocation is more stable, 2-degree less stable, 1-degree very less stable, and methyl carbocation very less stable. So stability order 3-degree, 2-degree and 1-degree. Then methyl. So 3-degree carbocation is more stable because there are 3 methyl groups. In the carbocation, carbon is electron deficient species, which is attached by 3 methyl group, which gives plus I effect of the methyl group. Plus I effect of the methyl group. So 3 plus I effect of 3 methyl groups. So electron density increase to the carbon. The stability of carbocation will also increase. In 2 degree only 2 methyl group, in 1 methyl group no methyl group. So we can say that the reactivity SN1 reaction, reactivity for SN1 reaction, reactivity for SN1 reaction is 3 degree alkyl halide, 3 degree alkyl halide, then 2 degree alkyl halide, 2 degree alkyl halide, then 1 degree alkyl halide, 1 degree alkyl halide. 3 degree alkyl halide are more reactive to SN1 reaction because intermediate is for 3 degree carbocation which is more stable. So 3 degree alkyl halide more reactive for the SN1 reaction. Next characteristic is the first step is slow step, which is also known as rate determining step. So we can say that the rate of reaction SN1 reaction also depend on the concentration of substrate. या अपन टर्सरी ब्यूटाइल क्लोराइड our substrate is tertiary butyl chloride, so tertiary butyl chloride. So rate of reaction SN1 reaction proportional to concentration of the tertiary butyl chloride. So we say that this reaction follow the first order of reaction. This reaction is first order reaction. Okay. Next characteristic is very important. Very important. In the SN1 reaction, if substrate is chiral, then product is racemic mishran. We explain by the example. We take a chiral substrate CH3C2H5Cl. This carbon is attached by 4 different groups. So this is chiral carbon, और this molecule is also chiral क्योंकि mirror image of this molecule because the mirror image of this molecule are not superimposed to each other. So this compound is chiral compound या chiral molecule. और in the chiral molecule first step formation of carbocation in SN1 reaction. Cl is leaving group H CH3 C2H5 plus Cl minus formation of carbocation. First step of SN1 reaction is formation of carbocation. So this carbocation is planar molecule, planar, because the hybridization of carbon atom is sp2 hybridization, sp2 hybrid carbon. So shape of the molecule is planar, triangular planar. We say that the molecule is present in a plane. Carbocation is present in the plane. Then attaching nucleophile also attack to from the front side and back side of the carbon. So we say that CH3 C2H5 positive charge, then nucleophile OH minus also attack from the side of leaving group and back side of the leaving group. Both type of possibility is 50% possibility to attack front side and 50% possibility to attack back side of the leaving group. Cl is leaving group, so Cl also left from the substrate, then the nucleophile also possibility to take 50% possibility to take the front side and 50% possibility to take the back side because carbon is planar molecule. So two types of nucleophile product is formed in which if the OH minus attached to front side, then product is OH C2H5CS. Same configuration as the product. So this type of configuration is known as retention configuration. If product nucleophile attached to back side of the leaving group, then CHOH minus C2H5CS. So this time, this product is possible to formation 50%, also known as MANA, as a D-isomer. Then this product will be L-isomer. Combination of both products are known as racemic mishran. So we say that the racemic mishran is 50% D-isomer plus 50% L-isomer. This is known as racemic mishran. Thank you. Next chapter we study next day.